every 15 days we will do such kind of webinar for all the group members and for general public also. So in this kind of webinar, what we will discuss, our main focus will be on what's happening in the market on a sectoral basis, right? On Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, Nifty and all that stuff. Apart from that, we are also going to see which kind of stocks are breaking out by using our pattern, by using our study. So for those who are joining this webinar can ask me questions and all after the session. And this will be just for the learning purpose. There is no investment advice and all that over here. And after that, those who miss this webinar, we will upload this on our YouTube channel. Today we created a YouTube channel and we will upload over there also. So kindly spread the words. And if you like this video, let us know on YouTube. Show your in comment box. So that will be great help to all of us, right? So as I'm a CA Parth Gangwal and I'm a chartered accountant by profession, right? So there are 150, 160 members in my group, WhatsApp group. So we discuss ideas. I share my trade ideas over there. And basically we are a momentum investor. We are not intraday player, or we are not doing buy and sell on a continuous basis, right? We are a trend follower and we invest in quality caps. Before starting, I will, my screen is visible, right? So before starting, I will just want to show how we are buying and selling a particular stock, right? Our approach, our stock selection approach is simple. We are basically dealing only in Nifty 500 stock. We are not going to buy every Tom and Dick and Harry. People love to buy. This is a bull market right now. There is a bull market, so people are buying and selling and all, right? And there are many stocks which are making upper surrogates and people are making a lot of money, 20%, 30%, 40%. But we are a serious investor. We are not doing that kind of things, right? Our focus will be on Nifty 500 stocks only, right? Apart from Nifty 500 stocks, we are not going to buy a stock which is below 200 rupees. So many people ask me why you are not buying a stock below 200 rupees, right? It's just a system, right? Because majority of crowd is interested in to buy a penny cap, to buy a chota wala stock. What he thinks कि यार, if I buy a 10 rupee wala stock, 20 rupees wala stock, then I will have a number of more quantity and I will make a big. And everyone thinks कि यार 10 रुपए वाला चीज will be 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. And in markets, generally, we have seen stories of Wipro, Pidilite, Asian Paints, HDFC Bank. We have seen this kind of stories only, right? But no one talks about कि भाई जिसने 1992 का बुल रन देखा है, उसमें जो सेंसेक्स में 1978 में कंपनीज थी, out of 1978, out of 30 companies, hardly 2 or 3 companies are still in the Sensex. 28 companies are wiped out or they are out of the Sensex. And there are many companies in 2000 IT bubble also, they are wiped out. People call it a multi-bagger. Every time people call it a multi-bagger. In 2007, it was infra company. Take HDIL, take Volta, take Adha Group, right? So our focus will be on quality companies. Yes, there are some chances if we buy one particular company and that company going down, right? There is chances, right? Screen is not visible. Yeah, the screen is visible, ma'am. I think there is issue from your side only. Right. Thank you. So we are focusing only on Nifty 500 companies because those companies are top 500 companies of India, right? And apart from that, those companies are top 500 companies of India. And if companies coming in Nifty 500, which means that company has something else, right? And Nifty 500 itself is a momentum indicator, right? You will get, you will know that there are some companies which are not performing, get exited from Nifty 500, and there are companies which again take an entry which are performing in Nifty 500. So automatically, our objective is to play a momentum. Our objective is to buy a company which are performing. So Nifty 500 itself a momentum indicator, momentum index, like Nifty also. For example, Yes Bank was a Nifty's part, right? 3 years back. But right now, Yes Bank is not a Nifty's part, and Divi's Laboratories is coming into the Nifty. HDFC Life is coming into the Nifty. So the performing stock, the performing sector is coming into the Nifty, and the sector which is not performing, coming out of the Nifty, right? So this is the logic of Nifty 500. Apart from that 200, we don't want to buy a penny stock. And there is one more thing. Okay, there are some stock which are good in nature, but we don't buy because they are not qualified our one criteria. That's Nifty 500. Sorry, the market cap should be 1,000 or 1,015 crore. If the market cap is 700 crore, 600 crore, 500 crore, so there is high chances that that stock can be manipulated by the operators, and that stock will not be good for the investment. Yes, we will miss our 10%, 20% first. We will miss there are chances. The stock came from 16, right now is 200 rupees. So we miss some move, right? That's okay. But ultimately, our objective is to park our funds in a growing companies. Instead of predicting, our focus will be on anticipating, right? Instead of anticipating, we focus will be executing the trades, right? So this is our system, and this kind of stocks we are buying only. We don't buy every stock of the market, right? Even in this kind of bull market, our universe is very small, and we are getting only 200 to 250 companies in this kind of market, right? So we'll start from Nifty, right? So this is Nifty chart right now. So many people are saying it, the top top lag gaya, but if you observe on a Nifty chart, there is nothing happening right now, right? Even the market is going up on a continuous basis. We have seen a fall. We have seen a fall of 400, 500 points, but market respect the 10.2 super trend level and again going up, right? If the market is again thus breaks out 10,945, then we can see again one way rally, right? So the people are saying market ka top lag gaya hai, market bahut bad gaya hai. But if you observe in Nifty, right? Nifty, look at this. This is Nifty USD, right? From last 10 years. This is Nifty in dollar terms, right? In last 10 years, the Nifty has only doubled in last. I'm talking about in 10 years, right? Only double. So even if you place your money in FD, and from last 2007 top, we have just from 64%. From 2007 top, we are just up to 64% in dollar terms. Now people are questioning why dollar terms you are comparing, because we are calculating our GDP in dollars. We are every parameters we are using for the macro. We are just using a dollar, right? So the market, even INR has depreciated from in 2007. I think it was around 35, 40 rupees. Even INR is double, and our market has just given 64% return. So okay, we have seen, if you compare from the bottom, we have seen around a 75%, 100% rally from the lows, more than 100% rally from the lows. But if you compare markets in last 10, 15 years, we are nowhere. We are still nowhere. And okay, there will be the correction of 10, 15% or 20%, and it's a part and parcel of the game. It's not that tough or उसपे कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. But even if 10, 15 correction, if you get the opportunity, that will be the buying opportunity. I don't think so. The market will make a top in next 4-5 years. It will go up only, right? 10-15% correction, I am okay with that, and 20-25% correction in mid cap, I am okay with that. But apart from that, I don't see कि भाई the top लग के 10-20 साल market जैसा जापान का हुआ है या जैसा 2007-8 में हुआ था. I don't think so that will happen soon, right? So this is Nifty. Yeah. So this is Nifty's chart. Yeah, this is Nifty chart. Nothing is happening on the chart. There is heavy chaos on the street कि भाई ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. But still market is at close to yesterday close at all time high, almost at all time high, right? So respect the market instead of predicting, instead of anticipating. Take participation in the rally and buy a stock which are making new all time. It's a simple mantra. People make it complicated by using number of things, by seeing the bond yield, by seeing the inflation. Okay, these are some risk, right? But market is a different animal, and market knows these things in advance, right? There will be some tapering by the Federal Reserve and some cautious on monetary policy. But yeah, they have printed huge. Now they are itself in a bubble, right? So it's not like कि कल जाके फेडरल रिजर्व आएगा और he will say कि भाई I will stop making I will increase the interest rate. तो 2022-23 तक तो वैसे भी there will be no increase in interest rate. And even yesterday in RBI governor, he clearly mentioned कि he is very market friendly and he is a growth oriented. Earlier, what happening? RBI was main focus was on only inflation controlling, right? Right now, RBI is extremely growth oriented, and they are even in what his name, Shakti Das. Even he said, even if we are planning to increase the rate, we will let you know in advance, and moreover, it will be on a slowly and calibrated basis. It's not like कि कल चल के कोई interest rate बढ़ने वाला है. It's not like that. And still, India's interest rate is way below than Europe's and US and all that, right? We are still nowhere. In the US, it is trading at 1.52% interest rate, whereas in India, it is still 6%. Our cost of capital is one of the highest in India. So the risk is there. Okay, 10-15 correction is fine. That's not a risk for me, because that will be healthy correction. But if you are planning, if you are thinking that there will be crash, I don't think so. If you do this, you won't make money, right? So if you observe Nifty 50, as long as the market is above recent swing low here, as long as market is above swing low and moving average, so I don't think so. We are in any distress or कुछ market में होने वाला है. Okay, we will miss some money if market starts correcting. पर top find out करने के ऊपर की मलाई मत छोड़, right? So we are still not below even to 20-day moving average, not even, and people are saying top lag gaya hai. There is no top, there is no such kind of things. So take participation in the rally and buy good quality stocks, right? So there is one more index, Bank Nifty. People love to buy Bank Nifty, right? Frankly speaking, I have a very bad record in Bank Nifty, right? I don't know why, but nowadays, whenever I got bullish on Bank Nifty starts, though it is not falling, but it's in a range. That's why it's very irritating. And I think we in last 4-5 weeks, the market has breakout, but still there is a consolidation only, right? So in Bank Nifty, if you observe, there is one more company, the HDFC Bank. Look at this, how market is identical. Look at this. The chart of HDFC Bank and Bank Nifty is almost same. From last 3-4 days, it was a gap down, then gap up, and again now consolidating. So as long as Bank Nifty is below 38, yesterday I posted in group also, as long as Bank Nifty is below 38,100, there is no clear-cut upside over there. And once it clears, then we can expect a new all-time high in a Bank Nifty. My best pick is HDFC and ICICI Bank as of now, right? So this is Bank Nifty. Look at Medicap. Look at this. One way up. There is no weakness at all. The market is going one way up. The mid-cap index is much stronger than Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you compare the weakness, Nifty IT, Nifty. Sorry. If you compare the strength, Nifty mid-cap and Nifty small-cap is much stronger than Nifty, and very much stronger than the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is still laggard, right? Bank Nifty is still laggard after that Nifty, and after that mid-cap and small-cap. There is good amount of quality mid-caps are running, and the stocks are going up, and there is clear-cut sectoral rotation. There is no mid-cap for dollar terms board. Gulam bhai, there is no mid-cap for dollar terms, right? So there is clear-cut upside over here, and don't predict anything. As long as it is above super trend, I don't think so there is issue in that, right? 5-10% is okay, but there is sectoral rotation, right? Earlier it was IT. After that, IT we have seen some sell-off. Then bank starts moving up. Then bank stop. Then reality stock. Then metal stock. Then FMCG stock. Market is going up on a continuous basis by choosing one particular sector. That particular sector going up on a one-way basis. Then they see some sell-off in one sector. So this is how they are balancing, right? This is how they are balancing, and they are moving the market one way up. People, those who have leverage position, उनका तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. जो जो लिवरेज पोजीशन लेके बैठा है उनका कभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Doesn't risk rally from something mature to go back to the mean value. Sir, rally market will fall. I'm not saying कि market गिरेगा ही नहीं कभी. I'm not saying, but as long as right now the structure of the chart and the structure of the market is very, very, very positive. So it doesn't make any sense कि I just for the sake of comment कि भाई market गिरेगा. That's for sure. But when that I don't know, frankly. And as long as the chart are clear, my view will be bullish only. And my view will be bullish for next 3-4 years. 10-15 correction is due. And there is in last 25 years, there was only 2 years where there is no 15%, 10% correction. And we almost 10 months has passed away. And we have not seen a 10% correction in Nifty. There is possibility we have seen we will see a 10% correction, but it's just a possibility. And if it happens, that will be good for the market only, because if market correct 10%, automatically that will be exit for the weak hands, and market will again come into the strong hands, right? So that will be great if market corrects. Yeah. IndusInd Bank. Sir, IndusInd Bank, if you observe one thing, market is still above its corona high, right? Above corona, almost 40-50% above corona, but IndusInd still below its all-time high. So instead of buying IndusInd Bank, okay, there is breakout, there is short-term panicness or whatever will be the case. But instead of buying this, it will be always great if you buy HDFC Bank or Kotak Bank, right? I am not saying IndusInd Bank is a trend mein kuch ho raha hai, but when you have a n number of choices, why you are parking your money in IndusInd Bank? Yes, Polycab I am going to take. Don't worry, Polycab I am going to take. Right. So this is the Bank Nifty's view. This is mid cap view. And this small cap, it's a clear cut view on steel sector. Will coal shortage adds to his woe? Yeah, just a minute. There is something different. Look at Nifty metal, right? I think one thing I observe in Nifty metal, if you see the chart, if you Paras, please continue with your views after you. Questions can be taken later. Okay, sir. Okay, yeah. So if you see the Nifty metal chart, there is no such panic, right? There is no such panic. The chart is clear. The stock in the Nifty metal is consolidating. But if you observe individual chart, look at Tata Steel. Right? There is panic. The chart is not that great, right? As of now, the chart is not that great. There is JSW Steel. So Nifty metal index is trading at almost at an all-time high level, or whatever will be the level. But look at this Nifty JSW Steel. The price is going nowhere. Okay, if you are saying this is a breakout, then it's fine. It's your system. But as for me, I don't buy on this kind of breakouts. It's very short breakouts, and it doesn't make any sense to buy between just 2-3 candle dekh ke buy karoge. One day fall will come and you will wipe out, or market will take your lesson. So for me, the stock the chart should be like this. I don't like this kind of stock and to predict anything. Okay, I will buy at a higher levels. I will buy. It's not like I want to pick a bottom and I want to sell at the top. It's not like. But as long as the stock is below this 700, I am not going to buy a JSW Steel also. There is one more thing. Hindalco is okay. Comparatively, other two biggies. If JSW and Tata Steel are not in a good shape, so I don't need to buy Nifty metal at all. I'm not going to buy Nifty metal stock. As long as if there is a breakout, and if there is a breakout, I will first buy Hindalco instead of other thing, because Hindalco is the only stock which has make all-time high after a metal rally, right? Look at this. I will show it to you. This is Hindalco. This is Tata Steel. Look at this. This is Tata Steel, and these are three biggies. Baki to theek hai, JSW and all, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel and all. I'm talking about like these big guys only, right? Look at this. Hindalco is going one way up, whereas Tata Steel has corrected from almost from August, almost 15 to 250 रुपए minus हो चुका है. So 20% correction in Tata Steel, JSW Steel. So this is what happening in the market. One sector market उसको इतना ऊपर लेके जा रहा है, and there is one sector की market उसको रुका के रख रहा है, right? अभी metal अभी कुछ चल नहीं रहा है, 20-25% देयर इज अ करेक्शन, वेयर एज आईटी में भी कुछ करेक्शन हुआ, देन अगेन स्टार्ट्स आईटी का कुछ रैली, कुछ स्टॉक्स में आया, कुछ स्टॉक्स में नहीं आया. नाउ बैंकिंग आर गोइंग नोवेयर, but market is clear cut holding its level, right? Market is not going coming down. So this is the perfect recipe and the perfect cases of the bull market. This kind of thing are generally happening in the bull market, whereas once एक सेक्टर को चलाओ, एक सेक्टर को रुकाओ, एक सेक्टर को चलाओ, एक सेक्टर को रुकाओ, और मार्केट में रोटेशन थ्रू पैसे कमाते चलो, राइट? सो एज ऑफ नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन this metal stock. I will wait, but if there is a breakout in Nifty metal, I will first buy Hindalco only, right? So this is my approach. So this is the sectoral analysis, right? So we'll move further. So there are some stock which I'm thinking they are very promising, right? We have I posted in group also. Yeah. Sir, Coal India I don't track, sir, frankly, because I don't like this kind of stock like this. As it's a metal question, that's why I'm saying. I look at this. The stock is in clear cut downtrend. Okay, there is a coal run का कुछ हुआ है, कुछ प्लस हुआ है, कुछ माइनस हुआ है. People starts buying Coal India, but यहाँ पर भी Coal India ने होप दिया है, यहाँ पर भी होप दिया है, यहाँ पर भी होप दिया है, वापस होप दे रहा है. I may be wrong. I will buy about 250 to 260. I am not in a hurry to buy Coal India, and it's a clear cut downtrending chart. So I don't want to buy downtrending stock. I will miss rally, but protection of capital is my first priority. It will go up, it will fight 10-20-25% ऊपर भी जाएगा. But like same I posted my view on Hind Copper. Look at this. This is also metal stock. I don't like this kind of stocks. If people say कि हमने 25 पे लिया, 200 पे बेचा, ये आपको सिर्फ बुल मार्केट में अच्छा लगेगा. ये आपको सिर्फ 200 बुल मार्केट में अच्छा लगेगा. एक बार आपके पास से स्टॉक आ जाएगा ना, यू विल अगेन इन अ डिस्ट्रेस. एंड कमोडिटी साइकिल अच्छे को नहीं समझ में आता है. एंड कमोडिटी स्टॉक्स आर नॉट फॉर दोज. इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग कमोडिटी स्टॉक, इट ऑलवेज वी हैव एन नंबर ऑफ गुड कंपनीज. सो मेटल्स में तो सर यार देयर इज ग्लोबल फैक्टर, देयर इज यूएसडी आईएनआर इशू, there is China factor, there is US factor, there is Saudi Arab factor. Everything is metal में काम करना, it's very risky because आपको LME पे क्या हो रहा है वो देखना है, आपको शंघाई में इसमें क्या हो रहा है वो देखना है. So it doesn't make any sense. So people love to buy this kind of beaten down stock और बोलेंगे 40 पे लिया, 150 पे लिया. I will miss these stocks, but I don't want to buy this kind because this stock generally only gives hope, and these are just a bull market stock. In 2017 rally also there was huge, those who are in 2017 rally they know there was huge chaos about Hind Copper because उनके कॉपर का अकेला कंपनी जिसका कॉपर का माइन है राजस्थान में, और उसके बेसिस पे पीपल लव टू बाय द स्टॉक. एंड वो स्टॉक 4 साल कुछ नहीं किया, अभी कुछ कर रहा है, एंड पीपल स्टार्ट्स अगेन बाइंग. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो इट्स अ राइट चॉइस. सो डोंट बाय डाउन ट्रेंडिंग स्टॉक. you will lose money, sir. बिकॉज आदमी तेजी कमाता है 10-20-30% की, अल्टीमेटली वो लॉस करता है पूरा, राइट? लॉस पूरा खाता है, तेजी पूरी खाता, तेजी 10-20% के ऊपर खाता नहीं. सो राइट, सो अवर फोकस विल बी ऑन this stock I am looking to buy, or this stock is looking great right now, right? This is Minda Industries, for example. Look at the Minda Industries, right? Look at the price performance. Why you are not buying this kind of stocks? Okay, here I will say don't buy Minda, but when this is going to break out, the best time to buy a stock when the stock is making all time. People love to buy a stock which are going down, which are consolidating, which are not performing with the markets, with the hope कि it will perform. Market वैसे नहीं चलेगा. You need to buy a stock which are going up. The only reason to buy a stock is to it should go up. If it is not going, what's the logic to buy a stock, right? And we are not. And if you want to buy and hold, I'm not that kind of person. Because tell me one guy in 2017-18 who was saying कि yes bank बेचो. Not a single person was saying कि yes bank बेचो. और आज भी लोग बोल रहे buy करो. It doesn't make any sense. Fundamentally आपको जब तक समझ में आएगा तब तक सब मार्केट में हो चुका होगा. So instead of creating कि भाई ये स्टोरी वो स्टोरी, इतने पे लिया उतने पे लिया, 90% पीपल 10 रुपए पे लेते हैं, 20 रुपए बेच देते हैं. दिस इज द हार्श रियलिटी. बट वो बोलने के लिए, और उसका अलोकेशन भी कितना रहता है, वो लेता है 1% उसके पोर्टफोलियो का, फिर वो 25 बार बातें करता है. So instead of this, buy good stocks. Look at the Minda industry, look at the price performance. It's a consistent outperforming. It's a consistent outperforming, and it has given almost, tell me one auto stock which has given a 7,000% return in last 10 years. You should buy this kind of companies. If you are buying this kind of company, market will never ditch you. Market will always give you a good amount of return. But people love to buy Hind Copper, people love to buy chota stock. They want to buy कि भाई ये भी लेना है, वो भी लेना है. Follow process, market will reward you, right? So this is Hind. Yeah, Minda industry. It's not immediate buy, frankly. Yeah, if a 780, if you got near 760, so you can take a stop loss of 680, 690. Okay, my stop loss are generally 5-7%, 5-7-8% depends on the stock and its volatility. If you got entry near 760, 780, it's even you take an entry at 780 and then average it out 750, 760, and the stop loss will be. So mid cap Minda industry is looking very good in auto ancillary part. I don't want to buy that Motherson Sumi right now. Right now, it's a very good company. I'm not saying it's a very good company, bad company. Every good company is not a good stock, right? So look at this. This is Motherson Sumi. But if you observe, it's nothing happening right now. From 2017, it is going nowhere. So if it's still not going where, I will wait. I will wait when there is a breakout, when there is a price pattern, where there is a yeah, Trishna, we will let you know. We will let you know. Yeah, MCX and caps. We'll let you know. We'll take question, all of your question. Don't worry. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. Yeah. So Motherson is a great company. It's a great continued wealth creator. But as of now, it's not performing. So I'm not buying. This is my psychology. I am not against any company. I am not in favor of any company. Right now, Minda is performing. I will buy Minda. Right now, Suprajit. If you observe there is one more company, Suprajit Engineering. Wonderful pattern, and look at the price performance. Right now, this is the same pattern like Motherson Sumi, right? But it is breaking out. It is breaking out from weekly pattern. It is breaking out from monthly pattern, and it is breaking out from daily pattern also. If all these things are coming up, which means something is happening. There is some Minda का balance sheet देखो, Minda का investor presentation देखो. They have very good products which will be used in EV, right? ऑटो मार्केट में अगर आप बेसिकली बाकी की कंपनी देखो, निफ्टी ऑटो में बजाज ऑटो, हीरो मोटो, आइशर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज अ Maruti. All these companies are still below their pre-corona levels, right? This is the market's message to you. If the particular sector, even Nifty auto is not performing at all, you will say कि भाई 5% 10% इधर उधर हो गया, वो ठीक है, वो that's fine. But the market is still, the Nifty auto is still not performing. When it will perform, we will buy. But as of now, if you observe, it is not going anywhere, and right now it's showing early signs. But if you still think कि हीरो मोटो लेना है या फिर बजाज ऑटो लेना है, you will be in wrong position. मारुति आज भी उसके हाई से 30% डाउन है, आज भी उसके हाई से 25-30% डाउन है, whereas market has doubled from its lows, right? So this is the market message. When it will break its high, I will buy. That's not an issue. But as of now, if you're planning to invest in this kind of companies, you will lose money, right? So this is my approach. So Minda, and there is Suprajit also very good company. Harness wire banata hai, and it's a very good market share also. Look at this. The stock is one way up, then consolidation and breaking out. If you want to buy near, you can buy add 350, 340, 330, whatever will be dips will become. And as long as it is about 300, I don't think कि ये आपको लॉस करके देगा. And I have a conviction on this company, so you can buy this Suprajit, and Minda is also very good, right? There is one more thing like Chemical Man. I like this company very much. This company has given a breakout also, Vinati Organics, right? Look at this. This is a consistent performer, right? Continuous up. This company has given a 13,000% return, and moreover, it's not like कि company चल रहा है तो हम ले रहे हैं. I will show it to you. Look at this. Look at the OPM percentage. they are working at a 35% on a continuous basis, 42, 38, 32, 35, 26. So they have an operating margin. They are selling a product. They are market leader in their product. This is the same company like Clear Science. Clear Science as a chemical company, and that company has a niche. That the volume of the company is very low, but they have very niche products, and they are working in a very limited products, and they are leader in their products. So the same is applied with Vinati Organics. Vinati Organics, IBB and ABB, there are some antioxidant they are dealing, but they are market leader in that product, and application of that product is everywhere, right? So buy this you can also add this company if you want. You can add near 2000, and with a stop loss of 750, 17, 15, 800, 5-10% is fine. If you get a dip, you can add. And if you are in hurry and you want to buy, right? So instead of that, you can do one thing. If came down, or buy 50% over 2110, and if it came down, buy add near that level. So you will get a position, और आपको मिस होने का चांस भी नहीं रहेगा, and you will average out your position on lower level also. So if you follow this also, there is no issue. So it's a very good company. If you want, you can buy this company, Vinati Organics, right? There is one more thing, which company I like. This is Aarti Industries. I posted in group also. Aarti Industries. I don't know how. It's a clear-cut buy, and I have given a weekly report also. Generally, one person is asking me, Trishna, what is the difference between weekly report and whatever posting I in WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, I posted, or majority of the stock which I posted in WhatsApp group are for in trading perspective, right? But there are some people who are not on a continuous basis on a WhatsApp, right? They don't have time. So instead of buying, selling on a continuous basis, what I posted a company which is technically very sound company, with a proper stop loss, and with some fundamental कि भाई ये company करता क्या है, कैसा होता है, ये सब चीजें. I posted this kind of things over there. So whatever company I am posting in a weekly, that company is for medium term investing, and all these are companies are very specific. It's not like हर company वहां पर आएगा. WhatsApp group में it's frankly speaking, some people join 10 days back, some people joining 2 days back. So it's my duty to give a call, or to post a chat, right? So it's not like कि भाई वहां पर एक बार बोल दिया तो 10 महीने बाद बोलूंगा. So this is the difference between, if you want a peaceful investing, if you want कि भाई daily buy नहीं करना है, daily sell नहीं करना है. So I always advise कि go for our weekly reports and buy a stock from that way. Yeah, it's not for investment. We are not an investor, but it's for short term trading. And trading to I will not advise. Trading to I will not advise. I will always advise कि भाई go for a medium term investing. So buy sell करके किसी का कुछ नहीं होता है, पैसा नहीं बनेगा. Always go for some short term view. And frankly speaking, okay, there is bull market right now, so people are making money, right? That's for sure. But even before that, I will show it to you. We were the first. So this is not a case of bull market only, right? So we were making money, and we were discussing about. Well, I'm just showing you. So let's have a look at once. So we were buying chemical companies. We were buying what's your take like Dr. Lal and all. We are buying from very old level, right? So it's not like कि भाई हमने बहुत पहले बोला था. एक ओके ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने अभी तक होल्ड किया है, right? But this was a good news, a new theme as they just started playing a beautiful song in the market. It was clear cut chemical sector at that time. What was my logic? My logic was clearly based on the price action, because the sector leader Deepak Nitrite, Vinati, PI, Navin Fluorine, all were making all-time high at that time. When there is a huge sell-off or there is no growth in mid-cap sector, at that time these companies were making all-time high, and we pick those companies from that sector only and look at the prices of that sector. Okay, there is bull market, but if you observe Deepak Nitrite is not performing only in this bull market only. Those companies are outperforming the market from last 10-15 years, right? And China story, now everyone is talking about chemical. 2-3 years back, no one was talking about. 1.5 years back, before Corona, no one was talking about Deepak Nitrite, no one was talking about Navin Fluorine, but right now everyone is talking about that, right? So our focus will be always on drive कौन कर रहा है? Our focus will be on clearly the winner, and these kind of stocks कि whenever you start buying all time high stock, market कुछ भी रहो, market bull market रहो या bear market रहो, there is always bull market somewhere. Right now there is bear market in auto, मतलब जो अभी तक है, the view will may change. Bear market in auto and bull market in every sector. In 2019 there was a bull market in chemical but bear market everywhere. So every time there are 4-5 sectors which are outperforming the market, every time there are 2-3 sectors which are underperforming the market, and the same is happening in bull market and the same will happen in bear market, right? So focus will be on those companies which are making all time high. You will have a very peaceful sleep if you are doing this kind of trading. But if you want to continue buy sell and you want every day you want new stock कि भाई आज ये इसने ये बोल दिया, आज उसने वो बोल दिया, I got number of query कि भाई कोल इंडिया आप क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो, आप सेल क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो, आप भेल क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो. I don't want to buy. I have a system. I'm just following that system. So I don't want to buy every stock. I will buy a stock which is as per my understanding, right? So this is Aarti Industries. There is one more company, NoSil, right? So look at this NoSil. The company is great, and look at the price performance. Right, so if you want to buy, I posted in group also 280 to 50. It's a very good support level, and you can add this company also. There is one more company I posted in my weekly report, Galaxy Surfactant. It's a consistent outperformer. Look at the chart and look at the price pattern, right? Look at the price pattern, right? The price is going up on consolidation, then one way there was some surfactant based news, one way up, now again there is a sell off, and now it's a consolidation above 3,500. It will rocket like anything. So I have a personal holding in my clients accounts also and in my personal accounts also. So this is Galaxy Surfactant which I am bullish. So as long as it is about 3,200, there is no issue in that, right? There is one more stock, Dixon. Just a minute, I will stop sharing. There is some issue. Yeah, I'm checking there, but just fresh on the screen. Yeah, who is using that screen actually? Yeah, look at Dixon. After a one way up movement, the stock consolidate, and now the stock is ready for a breakout, and the stock has broken out. So this kind of pattern, when we see this kind of thing, right? When we see like this kind of movement, like price is going one way up, right? After that, price got consolidation on upper range, and if it is a breaking out now, that will be the biggest point to take an entry in that stock. So the same is happening in the Dixon, one way up, then consolidation. This is a monthly chart, and 4-5 month consolidation, and the stock is breaking out. This is the perfect recipe for the new leg of rally. So I am extremely bullish on Amber. The same thing happened 2-3-4 months back in Titan. I have shared in group also, but at that time I missed the entry. That's why I'm not updating in the group. Look at this. This is Titans. Once we have seen a consolidation and then it's a breaking out on a monthly time frame, there is huge chances the price will outperform. From 1600 right now, it's 2400, almost 50% rally. And Titan is not a chota stock, right? It's a very big stock. So if it is performing, which means something is happening in that sector or something, whatever happening is. But if it is performing, then we can add the company, right? The same happened in Muthoot Finance. Look at this. This is breakout on a monthly time frame. After Muthoot Finance was the first stock after a corona fall, one of the top 10 stock which was making all time high immediately, right? Here the Muthoot Finance has made an all time high in July only, when the market was not going anywhere. Now look at the pattern. The Muthoot was going up, consolidation, breaking out. Now again there is consolidation near 15,000, 1560, 1580, and if it is breaking out, it will be a good for investment, and the stock has formed a good base near 1400, right? So if you get a dip in Muthoot Finance and above 1600, it will rocket like anything. And this stock is a high beta, so once it starts moving, it will move like a rocket, right? So Muthoot Finance is also very good pick. Apart from that, one stock I am noticing which is ready for a breakout. It's not a breakout, but there is ready for breakout. Look at the chart of SBI cards, right? Look at the chart of SBI card. The price was up, then again consolidation, then again breakout, again some sell off, and now again breakout. So once it starts going up and starts breaking out, it will rocket like anything. So focus on SBI Cards. It's a very good stock, right? There is one more stock, Prince Pipe. I posted in group also, right? So look at this. It's a clear-cut consolidation breakout, and the price is ready for the new leg of journey, right? Look at this. One way up, then there is a consolidation. Why consolidation I am focusing? Because when the price starts going up now, right, on a continuous basis, there are weak hands which try to, because वीक एंड इवन वी आर आल्सो वीक एंड, जब अपना 400 का चीज 600 हो जाता है, 700 हो जाता है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट अपन क्या सोचते हैं, यार बहुत हो गया, अभी गिर जाएगा, बहुत हो गया, अभी गिर जाएगा. सो वी हैव दैट लेवल ऑफ मेंटालिटी, राइट? व्हेन दिस काइंड ऑफ मेंटालिटी, तो क्या होता है, द स्टॉक्स देयर इज सम साइडवेज कि भाई छोटे लोगों के हाथ में से, वीक हैंड में से वो माल निकालो, वो शेयर वापस बड़े हाथ में जाएगा, राइट? सो जनरली, और आपने मार्केट में सुना भी होगा कि यार मैंने उसको 6 महीने संभाला, पर 6 महीने के बाद में वो जैसे मैंने बेचा वो भागना चालू हुआ. सो व्हाई दिस इज हैपन? बिकॉज दिस काइंड ऑफ मूव्स आर फॉर कि भाई आदमी 10 किलोमीटर भाग चुका है, आप अगर 15 किलोमीटर कंटिन्यू भागोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको सांस फूलना चालू हो जाएगी, राइट? सो 10 किलोमीटर भागे बाद व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप थोड़ा सांस लो, मतलब बॉडी वापस रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा, वीक हैंड्स विल बी गेट आउट, एंड देन मार्केट विल स्टार्ट अगेन गोइंग अप. So whenever there is a consolidation in your stock, always thanks to God, because that kind of stocks are always ready for a breakout. आपका अगर स्टॉक कंटिन्यू ऊपर जा रहा है और वो मंथली पे और वीकली पे थोड़ा भी रुक नहीं रहा है, तो आपका फॉल भी 20-25% का ही आएगा, राइट? सो देखो यहाँ पर 800 का स्टॉप लगाए बाद almost we have seen a fall of 15-20%. Again now the Prince Pipe is consolidating and now it's ready for breakout, right? So this should be our approach, and the same. Now Prince Pipe is in pipe sector. Same, I posted a Astral report for 1 week back. Look at the Astral, right? The price is going up on a continuous basis, right? The price is breaking out, and now, okay, we have seen a sell-off in 2 days, but it's fine. The price is still in a range, right? So we can expect a bounce. So those who miss Astral or Prince, they can add either of both. So it's a very good company. There is one more company in this sector only, Supreme. Look at this. Is it monthly breakout or not? Right? So when the stock of a particular sector are making all-time high, when the stock of particular sector are breaking out, which means something is happening in that sector, and we should respect that sector. So in pipe, Astral is doing very good, Prince is doing very good, and Supreme is doing very good. So this is what we call a thematic investing. Take a participation and ride the rally. But instead of Supreme, I will always prefer a Prince and Astral in that sector, right? There is one more buzzing sector, Balrampur. Look at this, Balrampur Chini. Look at this. This is also one-way rally. After that, there is a consolidation, and now price is consolidating between this range, right? So if you want to buy, you can buy the stop loss of 330, 340, and it's a wonderful pattern, and you can take an entry, right, in Balrampur Chini. Same pattern we can see. I buy only 2 stock in sugar sector, either it's Balrampur or EID, or sometime Dalmia. But apart from that, I don't have any expertise in Andhra Sugar and Wo Sugar. I don't like that company, right? So this is, look at this. This is EID Perry. Look at the monthly chart. It's a wonderful pattern. After a stupendous rally, look at the rally, one way up from 150, 4 times, 5 times. Now stock is consolidating from 4-5 months. Now weak hands are getting out. And if it is going up above 450, I will be the first person to buy a EID Perry or Balrampur. Balrampur Chini I am holding in my client's account, but I will add EID Perry or something like that in my others accounts as well. So if you want to buy in sugar sector, why I am buying this? Because these are part of Nifty 500. Andhra Sugar is also going good. Then Renuka Sugar, then Dhampur Sugar. There are n number of sugar. But मुझे मरना है तो अच्छे डॉक्टर के हाथ से मरना है. I will buy HDFC Bank and then I will die. But I don't want to buy कि मुझे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में नहीं मरना है कि धामपुर लेके मरूं या ये लेके मरूं. I will always prefer to die in a good hospital. So I will ठीक है, मैंने HDFC बैंक लिया और वही चलाना. This will happen. बट मुझे पता है यहाँ पर गंदगी है, ये स्टॉक बहुत छोटा है, ये स्टॉक में मार्केट कैप नहीं है, and still I am buying that company. So it's a clear-cut suicidal attempt. I don't want to make easy money and quick money. I want to just look sustainable. Even if I am making 15-20% per annum, I am fine with that. And उसके ऊपर बनता भी नहीं है. जो कल राकेश झुंझुनवाला ने भी बोला, आप 1 साल कमा लोगे, बुल मार्केट में आओगे, black bear market में चले जाओगे. So this is a wonderful pattern. If you are planning, you can add this company also, right? So EID Perry, it's a wonderful company, and moreover, it's a South-based company. I like South wala guy and South wala company. They are extremely honest, and this is a Murugappa Group company. So the chances of all things are great. And sugar cycle, there is reversal in sugar sector in India. So you can add this company, right? After that, there is why I have a query about BSE. Yeah, BSE is a very good. ठीक है, it's a theme चल रहा है अभी. तो there is no harm to add a BSE with a stop loss of 1150, 1100, 1200 का. अगर आपको डिप मिल रहा है 1200 के आसपास, you can add a BSE and you can keep holding BSE. Sir. Schaeffler is a. Yeah. Just a minute. I will. Sir, Bosch. Look at the Bosch. It's a MNC, but look at the price performance. Sir. It's going nowhere, sir. So I will not buy, sir. Okay, there is a breakout, but I will wait. And this is a monthly breakout. The chart is not that great. But if you have a position in Bosch, so you can keep holding. So on a short term, the trend has changed on a short term, right? But on a long term, I will wait, because this is the stock which is going nowhere from last 2015, and it's clear cut underperforming the markets, right? Company is great, everything is great, but I will wait. And this is a low float stock. So 10-15% fall is not a big deal. So I will wait. Yeah, ISIL. Yeah, Indocount is ISIL, right? I am going to take. In textile, I like only Indocount as of now, right? Because others are very small companies. Yeah, if you want to buy ISIL, you can buy, sir. There is no harm in that. As long as it is about 280, 275, the chart is very good. And yeah, so you can add, sir. You can add about 300. Or if you get a dip near 280, 270, if you get a dip, then 240, 230 is a medium term stop loss. So keep riding the trend. There is not any issue in that sector. Yeah. Adani Power, I don't track. Polycab, yes. Polycab is ready for breakout. After a rally, one-way rally, stock is consolidating and now is ready for a breakout. If you get a dips, then you can add some. There is no harm in it. CAMS, अभी momentum नहीं है राहुल भाई. Yeah. So there is no momentum right now. So if you planning to add, don't add. हाँ, but अगर है तो है, can hold with a stop loss of 2810. But अभी add मत करो. मतलब है तो ठीक है, you can hold, but the structure on a shorter time frame has begun. Right. Amber is also very good. Asian Paint और Bergen Paint का क्या बोलेंगे सर? तो अच्छा ही. Right. Just a minute. I will complete my stocks, and then we'll take a query and we'll discuss more things. Right. There is one more stock I posted in group, Uflex. So this is a monthly breakout, moreover, not monthly breakout till date, but it's a weekly breakout confirm. So stock went up one way up, then there is sell off, then there is a 2-3 weeks consolidation near all previous zone, and now it's breaking out. If you get a dip, we posted 2-3 days back in our group. Buy this. I know 2-3 days back in WhatsApp group. So we have a holding in this company. So if you get a dip near 600, you can add this company, right? 530, 540 is a good stop loss, or you can give. Right. After that, there is one more company, Radico Khitan. We posted in group. We are bullish. We posted in. Look at this. Those who miss can add again. They are 950, 940 with a stop loss of 880. This is a very good company. This company has a 60% market share in vodka, and this is the only Indian company which is known for its brand. Because in liquor, everyone has a brand, right? United Spirits, United McDowell, United Breweries, they all have their own brand, right? And liquor में brand बनाना मजाक नहीं, because right now they have Magic Moments, they have Jaisalmer, they have Rampur, they are developing various things, and there is a single malt Scotch also. So these kind of things, and if you observe the per capita consumption of alcohol in India, it's still very, very, very low, right? So you can buy this company, and after a good run up, the stock is consolidating. So I think if you want for short term investing, this is a good pick. The same thing I posted a Relaxo. Relaxo is also breaking out, breakout. And if you get a chance to enter near 1280 or with a 10% stop loss, I don't think so. It's a bad choice. It's a very good company, and it's a consistent compounder. It's not like कि भाई आज चल रहा है Relaxo. It's not a bull market stock. Look at this. This is your Bata, right? Everyone talks about Bata only every time, but no one talks about Relaxo majority of the times. Look at this. This is Relaxo upper side, Relaxo. Look at return 4,500%. Whereas Bata is nowhere, right? So market है. Relaxo is working on the margin. जो अच्छे लोगों को नहीं आ रहा है. They have value product. They are working in value product like 100 रुपए के स्लीपर, 200 रुपए का चप्पल. They are working in that segment and they are earning a margin of 15%, 20% जो बड़े बड़े लोगों को मिलता है. So if they are doing और इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं तो your focus will be on those companies only, right? Yeah. So this is one more thing. After that, SRF I posted in group. There is one more company bull market right now. It's a very good shape, Root Mobile. So if you have a conviction or if you want to buy, this is also very good company. The one way up. After that, there is a sell off and now consolidation and there is breakout. So this is a perfect recipe for as long as it's above 1900. It's a completely buy on dip stocks. Root Mobile. So you can add a Root Mobile also. In new IPO, there is Tatva Chintan. That company is breaking out. So those who missed in the IPO, and this is a very good company. So you can also add this company. So there is no harm in that. So consolidation and breaking out. So once it starts clear its all-time high and listing again, it will rocket. But if you get a dip, you can add with a stop loss of 201 at 2100, 2150. So it's a good company, right? There is clear science. Clear science in ठीक है देखते हैं इसको. Sorry. It's a clean science. Yeah. So look at this company. Okay, on a weekly time frame it has little bit stretch. So fresh entry, okay, fresh entry I won't advise to be यहाँ पर fresh entry ले because फिर वो fall भी वैसे आएगा. So wait for some consolidation on a daily, at least daily, and then you can take it, right? So there is one more stock which I am liking, ISEC. I posted in group also. Okay, it's not perform yet, but this is also very good patterns. Focus on this kind of patterns. If these kind of patterns are very extremely great, and once they start breaking out now, they just give 20% move in one month, 2 month, right? So focus on these kind of patterns. I think this will breaking out and this will break out and this will give awesome return, right? Yeah. So these are my today's stocks, right? There is one more thing, MCX, but I won't take entry in MCX right now. Okay, there is a breakout, that's for sure, but I will wait for a dip because it's one way up on a continuous basis. On a daily basis it's one way up, right? 1 2 3 4, and when this kind of candle 2-3 दिन में चले जाता है ना, तो generally price retest or price came down to retest, right? At that time I will add again. I am not in hurry to buy MCX, but I am bullish on MCX right now because the MCX is breaking out of long consolidation. If it is a breaking out, the same can be, and they are introducing new product also. So there is a boost, and they are also planning to for options in the agri commodities, right? So if this is happening, then it will be great. So MCX is a good pick and a good stock. So there is no harm in that. But I will wait to take entry, but it will be great entry near 1800 or 1750 with a stop loss of 1500. Till then, it will be on my watch list, right? So these are our stocks, and we'll wind up. So I will take a queries. So breakout retest happens every time, many times seen on test. Sir, Rao, yeah, just a minute. So I will unmute. So yeah, so you can unmute yourself. Yeah, you can ask me anything, right? So
Yeah, Paras. So first of all, great session and really very good learnings
yeah,
overall.
yeah,
Yeah. So I mean, the calls are doing good, and sometimes they are testing questions
yeah.
like
Thanks to market also.
yes, yes, of
Yeah,
course. And
yeah.
sometimes they are testing patients like the Chambal fertilizer did a lot of testing.
Yeah, when Chambal starts moving ना मुझे आपका याद आया था मैंने यार राहुल भाई के पास था वो
Right, right, right.
yeah
अभी शाफलर सेम कर रहा है, right? So
yeah सर शार्पलर का प्रॉब्लम क्या है इट्स अ वेरी लो फ्लो मतलब लिक्विडिटी कंपैरेटिवली ना इतना नहीं है उसमें राइट
yes, yes,
बट
yes,
उसका
yes.
अगर आप पैटर्न देखोगे ना 7,000 इज अ वेरी गुड बेस एंड वो जब चलने लगेगा शैफलर हुआ
Mm-hmm.
एस्केप हुआ दे आर शैफलर एंड एस्केप बोथ आर इन सेम इंडस्ट्री राइट बेयरिंग राइट व्हेन दे
Yes,
एस्केप ने मूवमेंट दे दिया है 2-3 दिन में राइट
yes, 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 yes,
तो
yes, yes.
शैफलर भी देगा इट्स नॉट मतलब वो स्टॉक्स का प्रॉब्लम क्या है वो 2-3 दिन ही चलते हैं पर वो 2-3 दिन में 20% देते हैं पर वो 2-3 दिन कब है वो किसी को नहीं पता
Right, right,
right
right.
so
Yes, yes.
there is nothing wrong in that and there is वो stock में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है you
Mm-hmm.
keep holding yeah
Sure. Banks, when do you see banks moving like बहुत वो भी बहुत
and sir frankly speaking I spoke in group also I have very bad record in banks why what happening in bank nifty I don't know but
no,
whenever
no,
I
even it is not about you. Everybody is surprised. If you
yeah
check on Twitter, if you
because
check
in
in if
last
you
six
talk to other investors,
yeah
99% they are surprised कि boss bank nifty का क्या मतलब, there are jokes going around and all. But these are
yeah
not moving.
why what's happening right now that I don't know but
Yes.
there are very erratic moves कभी ऊपर
Yes.
जाता है कभी नीचे जाता है कभी
Yes.
ब्रेकआउट देगा कभी नीचे आ जाएगा और मेरा तो ऐसा हो गया है कि लास्ट 7-8 महीने में जब भी बैंक पे बुलिश होता है बैंक निफ्टी नीचे आ जाता है
Okay.
तो एवरी टाइम आई एम बुलिश ऑन बैंक निफ्टी केम डाउन सो ओके हर स्टॉक हर अब जैसा राइट नाउ ऐसा हो रहा है कि निफ्टी आईटी में कुछ भी लो ऊपर जा रहा है निफ्टी आईटी इंडेक्स में कुछ भी लो ऊपर जा रहा है बट जब वो वही सेम चीजें अभी बैंक में हो रही है बैंक में हो सकती है आगे कि भाई कुछ भी लो ऊपर जाएगा बट राइट नाउ इट्स स्ट्रगलिंग ओके इट्स फाइन सो सेम विल हैपन एवरी टाइम सिर्फ मार्केट ने लास्ट बजट के बाद में पूरा की पूरा बैंक निफ्टी होल्ड करके रखा है पर आपने आईटी को इतना चला दिया है कि जिसकी हद नहीं सो दिस विल हैपन विथ आईटी ऑल्सो एंड दिस हैज हैपन इन 2017-18 कि आईटी में टीसीएस चलता नहीं था इन्फोसिस चलता नहीं था and bank nifty one way rally so market will move in a sectoral market कभी चलेगा कभी रुकेगा कभी ये सेक्टर चलेगा कभी वो सेक्टर चलेगा so this will happen all the time our focus will be on कि this sector is moving and we will park our funds in that sector so there will be bull market in bear market also and we will find that sector and we will ride that sector and this is
Sure, sure.
tested I have seen 2019 at that time right now whatever the scanner we are using at that, right now there are 220 230 stocks are coming out of nifty 500 right but at that time there are only 70-80 stocks which were coming right only 70-80 stocks which were coming and we are buying only the Deepak Naveen Aarti all these stocks from that screener only right so even market falls we will only just we think we need to follow SL we will take exit and when there is a rise in one particular sector we will again park our funds in that sector so if you do this kind of thing, na sir, I don't think so. 15-20% is a big deal. We will make that for sure.
No, no, we are definitely going good. And again, so I just want to reiterate. Say, जो हमारी strategy it is working really well. I mean, I am happy. And again, so just keep watch कि भाई कभी भी market थोड़ा volatile है, ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. And
Yeah.
yes, and I know you are prepared. मैं just वही बोलूँगा कि जब भी अभी तो honestly so many stocks, so many names are coming that we are getting short of funds कि भाई किधर किधर लगाएं, किधर deploy करें, right? Actually it is happening, right? So
yes.
मेरा बस एक यही पॉइंट है कि देखो मार्केट हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं रहेगा. जब भी
Right.
मार्केट कंसोलिडेशन में जाए या डाउन ट्रेंड में आए, आप बस अपना थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेटजी उस टाइम के लिए तैयार रखना. वो अभी आप जैसे मंथ में हमको 10 नाम दे रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल उतना
Right.
नहीं देना, 5
नहीं सर
दिया ना.
उतना आएगा भी नहीं
हाँ,
उतना आएगा भी नहीं सर अभी क्या हो रहा है अभी देखो अगर मैं दूंगा नहीं तो लोग बोलेंगे फिर आपने ये क्यों नहीं दिया वो जब यू विल सी अभी अपन तो ये रिसेंटली मार्च में जुड़े हैं साथ में बट एंड यू माइट नो कि आई एम वेरी कंजर्वेटिव राइट
यस यस आई नो. यस
मैं कोई जल्दी में हूं नहीं मैं तो बहुत कम स्टॉक देता हूँ कंपेरेटिवली लोगों के जहां तक मैंने देखा है अभी क्या हो रहा है सिर्फ मैं रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करता हूँ मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ इसके से लोगों को बहुत दिख के आता है हेलो
नहीं यस वी आर गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ नेम्स यस
बट इवन निफ्टी 500 में क्या अपन ने मतलब मुझे लगता है कि मैंने दिए होंगे तो 200 स्टॉक्स दिए होंगे पर वो
Yes,
जब
yes, yes.
या बट वो भी सिर्फ निफ्टी 500 के सर. अगर मैं निफ्टी
Right.
500 के अलावा भी घुसना चालू कर दूं तो यू विल इमेजिन कि भाई कितने स्टॉक्स आएंगे.
नहीं. We this is Nifty 500 approach is very good approach. And yes, and keep continuing on this sport. And बस जब भी लगे आपको कि मार्केट में डिप जाने वाला है, ऐसा जाने वाला है, of course you keep doing it. हमको कभी एक बार सिग्नल दो कि भाई ऐसा हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा अभी.
Surely. No doubt.
Right. Sure. Thank you, Bharat.
Yes. Anyone?
Yeah, Paras, I think this is Silva here. Thank you so much for this session. This is really useful. So, in this overall session, right, you shared almost like 22 to 23 different stocks, right?
Okay.
And then you talk about various breakout levels and all those things, right? But again, before Rahul sir also spared, I think, right? Because I think sometimes we will be running short of funds, right? So because we will be investing on some other funds as well. So I think if you can suggest, like, out of this 22 to 25, which are the 4 to 5 funds, stocks which we can invest maybe in the next 1 week, right? So that can give some kind of a breakout.
Right. Sir, as of now, I think there is a good stock. Like I told you in WhatsApp today. Today we chat, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Jubilant Ingrevia I didn't take actually. So Jubilant Ingrevia is also, it's ready for breakout actually. It's not breakout, but it's ready for breakout. Above 800, it will rocket like anything. There is Relaxo is doing very good. Then there is Radico is doing very good. They are also very good companies. But sir, for 1 week, if you planning to add right now, there is Relaxo and there is Radico and Jubilant Ingrevia 3.
Okay.
There are Muthoot Finance is also fine. You can add over here also. There are n number of stocks, sir. And just you just diversify yourself. And if you need any doubt or if you have any doubt, you can message us, and so that will be great for.
Sure.
We can easily approach.
Right, sir. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you, Paras. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. What is the current hot sector, Jayan sir? It's a clear-cut reality right now. We have holding in Lodha, Godrej Properties, and Oberoi Realty in very different stocks, right? So we different clients. So we have holding in all stocks. So reality is a hot theme. So if you want to buy a reality stock, I think right now Lodha is breaking out. So I will prefer Lodha. In reality, I will prefer only 3 names: Lodha, Godrej Properties, and Oberoi. There is Brigade and Prestige, but they are very illiquid compared to others. So I will prefer these 3 only.
Hi, Paras.
Yeah.
Can I ask you? Okay. Do you see a blowout kind of rally by December coming?
I think, sir, that might be happen. Like because if you see our stocks, there are many stocks which are breaking out, and there is huge pessimism on the screen. By inflation, US market.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that can be happen. Ki yaar, no one is expecting or अपन 19 के आसपास चले जाए.
And secondly, Paras, if you heard RBI's speech yesterday, they said the cash during the last credit policy was 7 lakh crores. Now it has gone to 9 lakh crores. I mean, how can they raise the interest here when so much liquidity is in the system?
Interest rate तो बढ़ेगा नहीं सर इंडिया में.
हाँ, वही बोल रहा हूँ. All this pessimism, मतलब इतना cash है, so much liquidity is in the system.
सर अभी तो ऐसा हो चुका है. In 2008 the Fed का बैलेंस शीट था around $1 trillion, right?
Right.
तो फेड का बैलेंस शीट हो गया सर 15 ट्रिलियन और 12 ट्रिलियन डॉलर के आसपास. मतलब वो खुद के इस पे बैठे सर एटम बॉम्ब पे. नहीं वो टेम्पर नहीं कर सकते सर. मतलब वो कैसा हो गया है, मतलब वो बोलते भी नहीं आ रहा, थूकते भी नहीं आ रहा.
Very true.
So this is happening right now. फेड बैलेंस शीट पे वो ठीक है, वो क्या होगा, देयर विल बी बबल या जो भी है, वो कभी ना फटेगा. वो हर टाइम होने वाला, हमेशा होगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो कभी नहीं होगा, बट वो गिरने नहीं देंगे सर मार्केट इतना इजीली. हाँ, तो ओके, दैट माइट बी द केस. बट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व सर इन लास्ट 10-15 इयर्स इंडियन मार्केट ने सर रिटर्न कितना दिया है आपको? एफडी से कम दिया है सर. मतलब अगर आप 2007 के टॉप से गिनो, जब सेंसेक्स 20-22 हजार था, तो कोरोना क्राइसिस में ऑलमोस्ट वी आर एट 25,000 तो मार्केट ने वैसे भी कुछ रिटर्न दिया नहीं. ओके, इफ यू कंपेयर फ्रॉम बॉटम तो आपको लगेगा बहुत कुछ हो गया है. That's why I'm saying 10-15 करेक्शन इज फाइन. वो होने वाला है, वो उसके लिए रेडी रहो. वो कभी भी होगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि नहीं होगा, बट उसके अलावा इतना कोई मेजर क्रैश आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट्स कमिंग इन नेक्स्ट 5 years in India at least. And there is huge Indian economic ecosystem at changing. the prime minister is doing, ठीक है, जो अभी तक लग रहा था कि अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, but right now ऐसे लग रहा है कि we are changing our policies in very fast shape, और कुछ तो भी हो रहा है, इकोनॉमी में बोलो या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में बोलो या ईवी में बोलो, ईवी में we are doing extremely good, and the visionary Nitin Gadkari, I think that man will do something, right? So I think next 10 years will be golden period for India, because there is some distress in China, and even if we get Apple or we will get Tesla in India, and there is EV boom, so automatically if there is EV boom in India, and that will create a job in auto sector, and auto sector is almost largest employee base, right? And if labor class आपका पैसा कमाना चालू करेगा या आपका farmer कमाना चालू करेगा, automatically we will see in a 2003-2004 kind of boom in India. So this is my expectation. And moreover, if you observe reality sector, now the prices are rising and home loan interest rate at 6.757%. So automatically if this is the case, and RBI का जो बोलना है, कल भी जो उन्होंने बोला कि आप टेंशन मत लो, हम नहीं बढ़ा रहे, तो उनका क्लियर इंडिकेशन है कि ओवर द लॉन्गर टाइम इफ इंडिया द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल इंडिया में अगर कम करना है और लोगों को अंदर लाना है, टू मेक द कंपटीटिव एडवांटेज देना है ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में, सो वी नीड टू कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल कम करना कंपलसरी है. इन्फ्लेशन आरबीआई के गवर्नर ने डायरेक्ट बोल दिया कि भाई इन्फ्लेशन सप्लाई साइड में, तो आप सप्लाई साइड मैनेज करो, गवर्नमेंट को बोले कि आप पेट्रोल प्राइस मैनेज करो, कमोडिटी प्राइस मैनेज करो, एवरीथिंग विल बी अंडर कंट्रोल. So वो बताता है उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, एंड दैट गाय शक्तिकांत दास इज प्रो मार्केट, इज वेरी प्रो मार्केट. रघुराम राजन एंड उर्जित पटेल was little bit conservative, but this guy is very pro market.
Right.
Yeah. So that there will be one rally, and there will be some 5-10-15% kind of correction. It will happen, but we are prepared for that. At that time, we will take a sell, we will book losses, or whatever will be the case. And whenever the new sector will emerge, we will buy again. Right. This is how we are approaching.
No, that is the right approach. Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Vinod Javeri.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. And Paras.
Yeah.
A very interactive, very knowledgeable session. Yeah. Kudos for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. The objective of the session is to deal with the people.
Right.
Yeah.
Hi, Paras. This is Manan here.
Yeah, Manan Desai.
Manan Desai.
Yeah.
Very informative session. Thank you very much. So this is very helpful, and appreciate your efforts.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So just wanted to understand a few things. Like so, whatever you're giving your calls on WhatsApp. So I found that most of the companies are fundamentally very sound companies.
Right.
You are mentioning that weakness below the particular price.
Right.
But I feel that even if the price hits that particular price, is there any harm in holding that particular?
Right now, it's not harming to hold the company, right? Because right now everything will go up, right? So, तो आपको लगेगा यार हमने फालतू बेच दिया. But when the tide will reverse, ना sir, you will have those kind of companies को जो आप बहुत ऊपर के लेट पे लेके बैठे हो. This is all about discipline, sir.
Correct.
तो आज आपको अच्छा लग रहा है because market तेजी में. जब वो रिवर्स होगा, या फिर देखो आईटीसी भी अच्छा कंपनी सर 5 साल से कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो आपका पैसा आप आज के रेट में, and I reiterate people to every time, never invest more than 5% in one particular stock. आप 5% का एलोकेशन लोगे सर, ऑटोमेटिकली आपने अगर 50,000 का मान लिया, 10% का स्टॉप लॉस भी पकड़ा मेरा, तो भी 5,000 के ऊपर आपको लॉस नहीं है. इफ दिस इज द अप्रोच ना, तो यू विल सर्वाइव. अदरवाइज क्या हो जाएगा, आप आपके गार्डन में अच्छे फुल बुक करते जाओगे और पूरा कचरा जमा करोगे. सो इट विल बाउंस इन बुल मार्केट, बट व्हेन द टाइड विल रिवर्स, यू विल हैव ओनली दिस काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज ओनली कि जो बहुत ऊपर के रेट पे. So आज अच्छा, और there is no concept like sir fundamentally strong company in my view, right? Because Yes Bank sir, it was also fundamentally it's for Nifty 50 company sir. अपन 500 ले रहे हैं, तो Nifty 50 कंपनी में अगर सत्यम में अगर गेम हो सकता है, Yes Bank में हो सकता है, तो ये Galaxy Bilex ये तो बहुत छोटी कंपनी है सर comparatively. So there is no concept like fundamentally strong company. As long as there is bhav, as long as there is price structure is positive, I will praise that company. Once the price is going down, I will start कि भाई ये कंपनी low मत, ये कंपनी खराब. This is my approach. भाव को सलाम.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I'm holding Godrej Consumer Product and Birla Soft. So that's
Yeah.
fine, right?
Yeah,
For
that's
now?
fine, sir. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Once upon a people were his-
Hi, Paras.
Yeah. Yes.
Like, do you use Fibonacci retracement?
No, sir. No. Not at all. I don't
Okay.
use Fibonacci. I don't use trend line. I don't use candlestick. I don't use Gann method. I don't use any fancy stuff to sound intelligent. So
Okay.
I don't use these things. People are using. They are making money. But my system and my approach is purely based on price action. I don't. You are not part of my WhatsApp group, I think, because Suyog Shanbag. I don't know you are part of or not. But I don't
Yes,
use.
I'm not.
Yeah, I don't use this kind of stuff. My pure analysis is based on price and price only. Because if you complex your system ना, so आप ना जब ट्रेड गलत होता है ना, तो you will try to justify yourself कि ये चीज इसके वजह से हुई, वो चीज इसके वजह से हुई. मेरा सिर्फ इतना है कि भाई मेरा स्टॉप लॉस होता है, मुझे निकल जाना है, सिंपल.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I don't make I have a very simple system. It's nothing like I'm sharing my system on YouTube, and that too free of cost, because I don't have any ऐसा कोई system कि उसमें कुछ तो भी नया है और उससे कुछ बनने वाला है. Because the more you make a complex, the more you make losses.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Anyone? Sir, guys, it will be great if you post your feedbacks on Twitter. That will be great help for me. So it will be great. And this seminar will be I will take on every 15 days. So on my group members, and it will be for YouTube also. So on every 15 days we will take a seminar. We will discuss ideas कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. It will be free of cost. Don't worry. But it will be great help from your side if you share on Twitter what you think about me or our approach and our thinking. That will be great, right?
Hi, Paris. Your views on Loris Labs?
Sir, Loris Lab right now it's in not momentum, but company is great. So
Okay.
yeah, so there is no harm in the company, but as long as the stock is forming a pattern and it's a good pattern, right? So this is the level you should keep watch 590 600, but as long as it is below 650 there is no momentum, so we'll wait. But if you are
Okay.
holding, keep holding, so there is no harm in that. So as long
Okay.
as 600 590 is there, keep holding. But if it's going below that, then the trend on a daily time frame will get weaker. At that time it is advisable to exit, because the same stock, the same people were bullish on Newland Labs, and now people are holding Newland Labs.
Okay.
There is no fundamentally good company, one way up, now one way down. Then same IOL CP at the time of Corona crisis, people were extremely bullish on ibuprofen, but there is no hope. Same with Aarti Drugs. So the company लेके मत बैठो. If you have made money, exit. अगर आपका trend reverse हो रहा है तो, because look at Aarti Drugs, 40% down even in bull market, and it was a buzzing stock in 2020 Corona crash, right? Yeah.
Hello, Paras.
Yeah.
Like, I have one thing to share.
Yes.
Like, I just watched it on Nitin Bhatia YouTube channel, and it's
Yeah.
helping me a lot. Can I
Okay.
just share my screen for that?
You are sharing screen.
Yes, like just a Excel sheet which I keep a track.
Okay. Where you are sharing? You are sharing me on WhatsApp or here only?
No, here. Is it possible?
Just a minute. यार इसमें क्या करना पड़ता है मुझे नहीं पता. Can you please share me on WhatsApp? I will share my number here with you.
Like, I don't have
Because I
it.
don't know how
Like,
to.
in settings, it would be there. Like,
Yeah, but I don't know.
In the Zoom meeting,
Yeah.
share a screen button is there in the green,
Yeah,
the bottom down.
yeah,
So-
but it's disabled. Host disabled participant screen share.
Take minute. You just request me, so I will accept that request.
Like, I don't have any option for that.
Okay, then I don't think so. It's possible.
No, I think. How are you connected? Have you connected through computer? Or have you connected through
Computer.
No, I think in that case, then you might see that option called share screen.
Yeah, I am clicking on that, but it's telling host disabled participant screen
Disabled.
share.
Actually, ये हाँ, when the meeting मैंने जब बनाया था तब उसमें किया था, तो that's why.
Oh, okay. No
Okay,
problem.
next time I will take care of this. Yeah.
Sure.
What's that in screen actually?
Actually, there is a website called FPI Investment.
FPI.
Yeah, I will share that website. So in that you can monitor the positions of FPI, like
No.
in which sector they are putting money on every fortnightly basis.
Okay.
So
Sir, I don't work on these kind of things.
yeah, I just
Okay.
wanted
Because क्या
to
है सर, मेरा दिमाग में एक चीज बैठे हुआ है कि पैसा कमाना आसान नहीं है, और ये इतने सिर्फ एफपीआई इन्वेस्टमेंट से अगर सबको समझ में आने लग गया कि एफपीआई कहाँ पैसा डाल रहा है, तो एवरीवन विल बाय ओनली दैट काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज.
yeah, but if you just check it, like from August 15 to September 30th, yeah, you can just open
Okay,
that.
yes.
So if you see the realty sector, they have increased their
Yes.
increased
Sir,
their allotment.
even we increase the our allocation by seeing the chart only. Because
Yes, exactly.
I have posted about reality sector on Twitter on 6th June 2020 कि भाई there is buzzing in this sector and this sector is going on. And Oberoi Realty was the first which was making new all-time high and was monthly breakout. Look at this.
Yes.
I posted on group. Look at this. This was June, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So okay, that's the approach. I don't know whether it is workable or not, but FPI अगर पैसा कहीं ले रहा है, right? तो वो चार्ट में तो दिखेगा ना सर.
Definitely वॉल्यूम में दिखेगा.
वॉल्यूम में दिखेगा. वो ठीक है, वो FPI रहो कोई भी रहो. आदमी जब पैसे लगाता है, बड़ा आदमी वो 500, 1000, 2000 करोड़ लगाता है, और वो 1000, 2000 करोड़ कभी 10% के लिए नहीं लगाता. वो कुछ तो भी होता है तभी लगाता है, राइट? तो अगर वो अप्रोच है तो आपको चार्ट बता देगा कि भाई दिस सेक्टर इज मूविंग. रियलिटी सेक्टर I posted on 6th January कि भाई there is something happening in this sector and I am posted on a continuous basis.
Yes.
Yeah, I will just share with you. This is July 29, right? July 29 and June 6. Realty sector is looking bullish. Realty, Oberoi, Godrej, thematic investing. The same I posted about cement sector in December 30. This was about Ultratech. The same I posted about construction theme. Pipe का देखो आप, tiles का देखो कजारिया, cement का देखो Ultratech, JK Lakshmi. ये सब चीजें one way move कर रही थी. Is market shifting towards realty sector? I am not, मुझे ground reality पता भी नहीं. It was purely basis on the price action. Apart from that, there is nothing else. So if price action मुझे बता रहा है तो I focus on that. Okay, वो बाद में तो समझ में आ गया कि उन्होंने यहाँ पर पैसा डाला. But this is what my approach is. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So any questions or we'll wind up? Yeah. So guys, yeah. Thank you so much. It was great meeting you all. We'll conduct next meeting in next 15 days, and it will be knowledge sharing only, and we'll discuss some chart ideas, or we'll discuss like today we discuss something, and it's a free only, right? So kindly post your views and feedbacks on Twitter. That will be great help to me. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sure, Pragas. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.